In today's STEMMA class, we explored the solar system. Using flashcards, the students memorized the order of the planets and then organized model planets in a sandbox for a hands-on experience. Afterwards, they colored their planet worksheets, reinforcing their learning with creativity. Great problem solving and sequencing skills were demonstrated by everyone.
Good. Solar system. Right, the first one here, do you know what this is? The big orange one? Yeah, do you know what it is? Give me S7. It's the... Sun. Right, sun. This one here, it's not a planet, it's a star, okay? The sun, can you read? The sun. Everybody, the sun. Good girl. Is a star whose energy gives us heat and sun. Good boy. Uh-oh. Drop the planets. Right, so sun is big and orange. Which one? Big and orange. Yes. Take it and put it here. Good job. Okay? So next one is very, very small. Mercury. Hello? Mercury. Everybody, Mercury. Mercury, right. Very, very small. Very, very small. No, small. Very, very small. Yeah, good boy. Thank you, Han. Okay, good job. So next one is Venus. Venus, white with orange. Okay, it's your turn. This one. No. Yeah. And it goes here. Good job. Right, so that's Venus. Right, next one is where we live, okay? Earth. Earth. Everybody, Earth. Okay, it's blue and green. Blue and green. Yeah. No, that's not blue and green, that's orange and yellow. Blue and green, no. Blue and green. Yeah. No. Blue and green. No. Blue and green. Yeah. No, that's not blue and green. Blue and green. Yeah, good boy. Okay, it goes here. Right, good job. Next one is Mars. Everybody, Mars. Mars. Okay, Mars is orange. Yep. And that goes here. Good job. Right, next one is the big one. Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune. Right, good job. So now you